Guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to enable the new Elementor editor. Yes, of course, Elementor is evolving and we have a new editor, but by default it comes disabled because it's on some tests version, so some errors may appear, but of course the experience is better and modern. Okay, this is the classic Elementor editor. Okay, if you are using Elementor on your site, you probably see this editor right here on your page front end, but there is a new one that you can experience, and how to enable this is what I'm gonna learn in this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, review the left sidebar of your WordPress dashboard. To access WordPress dashboard, on the browser address bar, enter your domain plus wp-admin, enter with username and password. After review the left sidebar of menus and find Elementor, okay? Hover your mouse over it and hit the submenu settings. Once on settings, you're going to be able to find some tabs: general, integration, advanced, performance, features, and editor v4. Click on editor v4, scroll down and hit this button right here. Activate the new experience. You're gonna be aware of some possible issues. Okay, editor is running in alpha and development is still in progress. Do not use in live sites or use stage or development environment. So do this for testing, or if you are really trusting that this thing gonna go right. I've read and understand, then click on activate. We have now a button to deactivate v4, and let's see what changes on the Elementor experience. We have atomic elements, div block, flex box, heading, image, SVG, paragraph, and some buttons. It's on alpha. Okay, let's explore. It can be a header, a section, an article, a side or footer. Seems interesting. Seems like we have some more options for classes. The experience changes a bit, but seems to be faster. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Explore the elements. Try and let me know into the comments if you like the new experience or not. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. And it is. Hope you guys enjoy, and all the best.